All right. Well, I think we've got a bunch of people joining us already, and we're excited for today. So, first off, introduce myself. I'm Coach B. A lot of people know me as Bilal. I'm actually a coach with Community Kicks, which is an organization that introduces basic nutrition, soccer, and life skills to kids around the state of Michigan. And our partnership with Milk Means More allowed me the opportunity to be the host of Mootilda's virtual summer camp today, all about healthy me. So again, Coach B, Bilal, I'm here today. We got people joining us from South Haven, from Detroit. Definitely comment below. Let us know where you're joining in from. And we've got a real fun day planned for you today. Again, I'm Bilal, and I'll be taking you through our camp today, day 1 of 3. Very exciting. I want to give a special thank you to Milk Means More and the Michigan Dairy Farmers for inviting me. And it's going to be an awesome day. So here's a little walkthrough of what we've got going on. We've got Easy Peasy Fruit Smoothie. I'm a big smoothie guy, so I'm really excited. And we got some special helpers coming to show us how to make that smoothie. We're going to do a little moving around with our friends from Sound Mind, Sound Body, and then we're going to finish up with a healthy plate game. But one thing for sure, we want to keep in mind, again, if this is your first time joining a virtual camp, be sure to pay attention in those comments on Facebook Live because we've got prize pack giveaways via trivia all day long. And I think it's a great chance for you to maybe walk away with a little prize, which we are going to announce the winners for after the 3 days of camp on the 31st at 4 p.m. So now that we went through the agenda for the day, I want to dive right in and get started with my good friends, Anna and Reese. You guys ready to show us how to make a smoothie?
Yes, we are.
Take it away.
Okay. Hello, everybody. I am Reese, and this is Anna. And today we are going to be making an easy peasy fruit smoothie.
That's right. What's the first ingredient, Reese?
So, first thing is we have our yogurt. So before you do anything, make sure you wash your hands. And so we're going to fill the yogurt about up to a cup. And we're just going to put a couple of scoops in there.
What do you like about yogurt as you're filling it up?
Well, I like all the different kind of flavors that there can be. My favorite is actually vanilla. But I love all the flavors. And it's just really sweet and it's really good. I just really like it.
What do you like about yogurt, Anna?
My favorite kind is vanilla, like Reese, but my favorite thing about yogurt is that, like, the texture, that it's thick and it's healthy.
Okay.
So today we're using vanilla yogurt, but
you can use whatever kind you want or you would like.
What's the second ingredient, Anna?
Berries. You can use any kind of berries, but we're using frozen.
What kind of berries you girls see in there?
Well, I see a couple of blackberries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries.
What's your favorite berries, ladies?
Well, I like strawberries because some are a little bit sour, but some are sweet. So it's just like some are sour, and then you take another bite, and some are sweet, and it's just really good.
And there's lots of vitamins and minerals in there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, what's the next ingredient?
Banana.
Why do you like bananas, Anna? Is it because it rhymes with your name, Anna Banana? Yeah. I figured.
I like bananas because they're like a good get to go snack, and you could just get one, unpeel it, and eat it.
They're the perfect on the go snack. All right, what is our next ingredient?
Our next ingredient is ice. We're just gonna pour it in there.
And why is this easy peasy smoothie so easy peasy?
Because you don't have to bake it, microwave it.
And you can't really mess it up, right?
Yep.
I mean, you can just throw whatever you want, whatever's in your fridge. All right, what's the last but the most important ingredient?
Milk.
So today we're going to put in about 3/4 cup milk. But if you want it more liquidy. You can put in more. You can measure it if you want, but you don't have to. This is why this is easy peasy. You can just eyeball it. And you only have to use 1 cup. And you can use any kind of milk. You can either get a little spicy and add some chocolate milk if you want a little chocolate flavor, right? Okay, and so we, hey Anna, can you go show the smoothie we made earlier?
And we use this with cherries, not berries. But
Yep. And then if you guys want to taste it to see how you did, because then all we're going to do is put the blade on here and blend it up, but it's going to be super loud. So we did make one earlier. Do you guys want to taste it? And then Reese, I know you had a couple favorite things you liked about smoothies and when you wanted to eat it. Do you want to share it with some of our friends across the state today?
yes, of course. So what I like is that you can have it for like breakfast or really anytime you kind of want. You can just plop it in the blender and like put all the fruits and everything. And it's just like really good because you can have it after dinner, you can have it just as a drink, you can have it as for breakfast, and it's just really good.
Anna, what did you say you liked about it this morning? Didn't you say it sort of tasted sweet like a dessert,
Yeah.
but we never added any sugars to it? Yeah. So, Blah, do you guys have any questions for us?
We don't have any questions yet, but I just wanted to maybe, Anna and Reese, you got any dance moves you could show us real quick? That's my question.
Oh,
Yeah,
snap.
show us a little something. Anna, you were already just popping your
What
shoulders.
else? You want like real dance moves? Or
Whoa,
is that
whoa,
like,
whoa! Well, you got the energy going. I think we're all ready to get moving a little bit. What do you think?
yeah.
All right, cool. So we're gonna actually switch it over to our good friend Aaron from Sound Mind, Sound Body. He's also with the youth wellness team at Milk Means More. And Aaron and his team, they're going to introduce us to with getting the body moving a little bit now that we're fueled up with our smoothie. And we're going to start off with some jumping jacks. So take it away, Aaron.
Start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Rest.
Oh, that's good. Got some jumping jacks going. Coach Aaron's going to lead us through these push-ups coming up right now.
Down. Up. 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 Down.
I think we need a little break after those push-ups. Good question that came in was, how many servings of dairy do we need daily? The answer, 3. Of course, got to get your daily serving of dairy. And we're just going to wrap it up with our last action, keeping it moving with some mountain climbers.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold that push-up position. Hold that push-up position. Hold it. Hold it. It's not about you, it's about the person to the left and the right of you. Hold it. Sound mind? Sound mind. I ain't like that. Sound mind? Sound mind. Come on. Sound mind? Sound mind. Excellent. Hold it.
Oh, that's awesome. Thanks, Coach Aaron. Love the message that Sound Mind, Sound Body is sending, that you definitely need to keep physically fit, but also mentally fit. So thanks for Coach Aaron and his athletes for joining us. You should definitely aim for 60 minutes of physical activity every day. So definitely, there's different ways you can do that. You can play football, you can play soccer, you can run. We've got one of our viewers joining us, Andrea. She really loves to dance. And shout out to a bunch of people joining us from all over the state right now. We got people joining in from South Haven, Tecumseh, Dexter, Brighton. We got people in Green Meadow Dairy Farms even tuning in. So shout out to everybody tuning in today. I know we're cruising right along. We've had our easy peasy smoothie recipe, which for me, I'm all about the mango pineapple frozen chunks. And I honestly had never made a frozen smoothie until I learned the easy peasy smoothie recipe. So shout out to Anna and Reese for teaching us that. Thank you so much. And I think it's time that we get into a little game. So we're going to invite my friend Jessica to play a little healthy play game.
Hi guys, I'm Jessica and I'm joined by Mootilda. And oh my goodness, what a workout that was, huh, Mootilda? It is hot. Wow. So today we are going to play a game called Build a Balanced My Plate. We have this available as a printable on our website. So if you want to print it off, you can do that, or you can recreate it using markers to draw a circle, kind of like we have our game board. We'll show you in a little bit. And you could use painter's tape or chalk, and then use real foods that you have in your home to play the game. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and fill up our My Plate with one item from each group. So there's fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy. And when you have something from all of those groups, you're going to get a balanced plate that's going to fuel your body so that you can do those awesome exercises and have energy for your day and all your summer fun. So what we have is some instructions, and we have a dice, one die, and if you roll a 1, you get to pick a fruit, 2 is veggies, 3 is grains, 4 is dairy, 5 is protein, and 6 is roll again, so you can keep trying. All right, Mootilda, you want to take a sip of your tasty smoothie real quick? That's some good stuff. All right, let's let you kick it off. Let's see what you get. Now, Mootilda and I, while we were waiting and getting this game set up, oh no, Mootilda, the dice went off the table. You got a 5. All right, so 5 is protein. While we were getting set up, we organized all of our cutouts into the different groups. So go ahead and, what kind of protein would you like? Oh, you might like some kidney beans? Yeah, all right. So put that in your protein pot. All right, I'm going to I got protein. Okay, I'm going to choose this grilled chicken. That's going to be my protein on my plate. Here you go, Mootilda. Let's calm it down a little bit, not so much of a roll. Yeah, you've got a lot of muscles. 3 grains. Okay, what kind of grain would you like, Mootilda? Spaghetti, oatmeal, whole wheat bread, a croissant? Oh my gosh, you're so fancy. Okay, a croissant in there. Let's see what I get. Oh, I got a 1. That's fruit. I'm going to choose watermelon. I love watermelon. Here's your Mootilda. Got a 4, which is dairy. Mootilda, what's your favorite dairy thing? We've got chocolate milk. Oh, good classic glass of white milk. That's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, I'm sorry. I put it on the wrong board. Oh, my goodness. Sorry, Mootilda. I wasn't trying to cheat. All right, I got dairy. I'm going to do strawberry yogurt. I love strawberry yogurt. Especially putting it in my smoothie, too, gives it that extra sweetness. A 6, you get to roll again. Let's see. What's it going to be? A 4. You already have dairy. Well, if you want, you can trade it out, or if you want to stick with milk. Sticking with milk. Good deal. I already have dairy too. I'm going to stay with strawberry yogurt. So if you roll the same number, you can trade out your item for something in that same group. 5 is protein. You still good with kidney beans? I got dairy again. Okay, I think I'll trade out for cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a great way to get a lot of good dairy nutrition and protein. berries. Okay. Oh man, Mootilda, you just have one more thing to get on your plate. Let's see, green. Oh man, this is neck and neck. I'm gonna choose for my plate. Oh, you just have vegetables left. That's the only one who's gonna get it first. Who can roll it? Mootilda, what vegetables do you want? Spinach, peas, tomatoes. Ooh, cherry tomatoes.
Great choice, Mootilda. Jessica, what's your favorite dairy food?
My favorite dairy food? My favorite dairy food is cheese. Mozzarella cheese, because you can put it on pizza, you can put it on salads. It's so good. You can put it all over the place, or even just eating like string cheese, mozzarella string cheese is so good.
Yeah, I pretty much any cheese. I feel like you can't go wrong with any cheese. But something I learned is that the most natural or popular natural cheese in the U.S. is cheddar cheese. So maybe we can celebrate today after Campton with a little cheddar cheese. But Mootilda, you're really good at the game. You're really good at that game. I feel like you've been taking all your got a little extra strength there when you're throwing that dice, going all over the place.
And I wanted to remind you guys that we also have our farm tour on Thursday, and you'll learn about how cows, just like humans, need a balanced plate too. So you'll learn about their feed and all the different things that goes into their feed to make sure they have a balanced plate so they can make delicious, nutritious dairy foods for us.
Yeah, thanks. Well, thanks, Jessica and Mootilda. That was an awesome game. We really enjoyed playing that. So we're actually going to, that's a great little segue into what we have planned for Thursday is a little virtual farm tour. But we will be back tomorrow and Thursday. But let's check out this little farm tour video that can give us a little idea of what to expect on Thursday.
Hi everyone! I can't wait to have you guys out on the farm in a couple of days. And I also can't wait to make that smoothie with my kids. So have fun at Mootilda's Cow Camp, and we'll see you in a couple days.
Oh, that is so exciting. So I know we went over our smoothie easy peasy recipe today. We got moving with Coach Aaron, Sound Mind, Sound Body, and we even played a game. Tomorrow we are back at 10 o'clock, and we've got we're going to make some frozen yogurt bark. We've got some animal yoga poses we need to tackle, and we got a really cool activity where we're going to make a cow pencil holder, which is really cool. So all of this can be found at milkmeansmore.org/camp. You can check out the agenda, get all of the information for the rest of Mootilda's virtual summer camp, which is all about a healthy meat. Again, I'm Coach B, Bilal. I'm so happy I could join you guys today. I want to give a special shout out to my nieces, Amira and Aisha and Ava and Maya for joining in and watching along. But we are so happy that you joined us today, and we look forward to seeing you back here at 10 o'clock tomorrow. Make sure to comment down below. We've got prize packs given away all day with our trivia questions, and we look forward to seeing you back here tomorrow at 10.